Before removing your Sceptre curved monitor stand, first power off the monitor completely and disconnect all cables including power, HDMI, and USB connections. Place the monitor face down on a soft, clean surface, such as a towel or foam padding. This prevents scratches to the screen and provides stable access to the back panel. You will need three essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, typically size number 1 or number 2, an anti-static wrist strap, which is recommended for safety, and a small container to organize the screws. Most Sceptre curved monitors use a standard Visa mounting pattern with 4 screws. The two most common patterns are 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeters, measured center to center between screw holes. Remove the 4 screws in a cross pattern, starting with opposite corners first. Apply steady, controlled pressure to avoid stripping the screw heads. This cross pattern ensures even pressure distribution during removal. Keep the removed screws organized in your container. You may need them later for reassembly or when mounting the monitor to a different stand or wall mount. After removing the screws, the next step is carefully separating the stand from your monitor. This process varies depending on your specific Sceptre model. Start by gently lifting the stand assembly away from the monitor. Apply steady, even pressure and avoid any sudden movements that could damage the monitor or stand. Before the stand comes free, check for any plastic clips or additional retention mechanisms. These are common on newer models and must be disengaged properly. For C24 and C27 series monitors from 2022 to 2025, look for tool-free quick-release tabs in addition to the screws. Press these release buttons while lifting the stand. Larger models like the C32 may have additional support brackets and heavier stands. These require two-person removal for safety due to their weight and complexity. If you encounter stripped screws, try the rubber band technique. Place a rubber band over the stripped screw head and use your screwdriver through it for better grip. Alternatively, use a screw extractor kit for severely damaged screws. These specialized tools can grip and remove even badly stripped screws safely. For stuck stands that won't separate easily, use a gentle rocking motion. Rock the stand slightly back and forth while applying upward pressure to break any paint adhesion or tight fits.